Good morning, class 7. Welcome all of you in this math period. We have in the chapter algebraic expression. I have explained some mathematical terms for this chapter. What is algebraic expression? What is coefficients? What are binomials, monomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, etc.? What are numerical coefficients? And also I have explained what are the conditions for polynomial. And I have also explained how will you add the given algebraic terms. Today we will learn how will you subtract in addition or in subtraction. Like terms and unlike terms. These two are very important to understand this exercise. You see exercise 6C. Question is first 5x and 3x. Means you have to subtract 3x from 5x. So you write in the upper part from which you are subtracting. And you write the terms which is to be subtracted. माने जिसमें से जिसको subtract करना है, you write in the upper side and below you have to write that term which is to be subtracted. Now you see, you have to subtract 3x from 5x. इसमें confusion नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि उल्टा ही दिखेंगे तो आंसर you cannot get. So first of all, we write these two terms in column. Since we have only one term and all these two are like terms. Like terms क्यों है मालूम? Because these two terms have same variable and also power is also same. So we change the sign. Here no sign, it is understood there is a positive sign. So you change the sign opposite to plus, minus. Now you have to operate with these two signs, plus and minus. I have already explained about the rule of sign, plus minus, minus, minus plus, minus, and minus minus plus and plus plus plus. So plus minus minus यानी coefficient को हम ऐड करते हैं, coefficient को subtract करते हैं. Variable as it is, whatever in the question we write simply 5 minus 3 2x. This is a column method. वैसे इसको यदि हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड से करना चाहते हैं तो you subtract you write the terms like this 5x minus 3x. और आपको समझने के लिए कि x को हम कॉमन जैसे मानते हैं, कॉमन इसको निकाल के बाहर कर सकते हैं 5 minus 3. This means 2x. ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं. So, this is question number 1. Now you see some more questions. Now you see question number 2. First question. Subtract 5a plus 6 and 4a plus 3. Now you have to see these two terms you have to subtract from these two terms. So which is to be subtracted, you write in the downward, and from which you have to subtract, you write in the upward. And now you change the sign. Here positive, you change minus. Here positive, you write minus. So we have to change the sign. Either plus or minus. Minus will be changed plus, plus will be changed into minus. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 is understood. We don't write. And plus minus minus 6 minus 3, 3. ग्रेटर नंबर का यह साइन लगाते हैं a प्लस। अब इसी को यदि हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड से करें, इफ यू फाइंड द डिफरेंस सब्ट्रैक्ट इन हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड, तो इसको ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं 5a plus 6 subtract 4a plus 3. You have to write in the bracket because we will remove the bracket, and it is rule. If there is a negative sign before the bracket, and if you are opening the bracket, if you are removing the bracket, all the signs in the brackets will be changed. Now you see, how can you solve? This is already 5a plus 6. Because no sign means plus, if you remove the bracket, no change in the sign. Now this is 4a, so this will be minus 4a. This is plus 3, this will be minus 3. Now we have 4 terms, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now as I have explained, like terms should be added or like terms should be subtracted. So 5a, which is like term, this and this. You can write together 5a minus 4a, and these two are constant, so these are like terms. Now 5a minus 4a, you understand? Subtract the coefficients, I will write the variables. 1a means a, plus minus minus, plus 3. This is known as horizontal. So my dear students, these are the methods I have explained. Monomials, how will you subtract from monomial, and it is question of binomial. Now you see more question, and then you see trinomial, subtract trinomial from trinomial. 5p plus 4q plus 7c. You have to subtract 3p plus q plus 3c. Same process. So this is column method. You like that already written in the question. So you change the sign, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Now these two, 5 minus 3, 2p, plus minus minus 4, minus 1. It is understood 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Greater, positive, so here will be 3q. Plus minus minus, 7 minus 3, 4, greater, positive. So this is the solution. Or if you subtract by this method, you can also solve like this. Only difference here is binomial, here is trinomial. So these are some questions. I explained other type of question. Question number 3 I have explained. Now you see, subtract multiple choice question देख लीजिए. I explained 3p plus q minus in the bracket p minus q. Four alternatives are given. Now you have to choose. Choose use means you have to solve. You solve, you find the answer, you try to find this answer in the given alternatives, and you can choose that answer. Now you see, if you solve, so you remove the bracket. This is 3p plus q. Here will be minus p, and here will be plus q. Now you simplify the like terms. So 3p minus p, and this q plus q. Plus minus minus, you understand? 3 minus 1, 2, 2p, q, plus plus, 1 and 1, 2. 2q, so 2p plus 2q. Now you can find the answers. So, now I explain another question. Find the sum of, question number 6. Find the sum of x squared minus 2xy plus y squared and x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. इसका सम निकालना है और इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है x squared minus 4xy plus 4y squared. You try to understand what is the question. From the sum of this and this, from the sum of this trinomial and this trinomial, subtract another this trinomial. इसका मतलब इसमें दो पार्ट है. There are two parts of the question. First is you have to find the sum, and then from that sum you subtract this trinomial. So now you see x squared minus 2xy plus y squared, and you have to add like terms should be in a column. This is 2xy and this is y squared. On addition, there is no change in the sign. You will remember this point. In subtraction, we change the sign. In addition, whatever the signs are given, जो भी साइन इसमें दिया हुआ है उसी साइन से काम करता है. Now you see plus plus plus, so x square. I have already explained कि यहाँ कोफिशिएंट को ऐड करते हैं या सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. 1 and 1, 2x square plus minus minus equal 0. So you can cancel these two terms. क्यों कैंसिल हो रहा है? -2 plus 2 0. 0 into xy, this means 0. Product of 0 is 0. And y square 2y square. Now from this sum you subtract this. You write like this: x square minus 4xy. No like term is given. So you can write separately minus 4xy plus 4y square plus 4y square. You can add. क्योंकि like term साथ में होना चाहिए. इसका कोई भी terms यहाँ नहीं है. Now, since you are subtracting, you have to change the sign like this. Plus minus minus 2 minus 1 1. 1 is not mentioned. X square plus minus minus 4 minus 2. Since 4 is negative, this sign is for this 4. 4 minus 2, minus 4 plus 2, minus plus minus, 4 minus 2, 2, but here will be negative. क्यों negative? क्योंकि जो 4 जो है ग्रेटर नंबर है वो नेगेटिव में, and this will be plus 4xy. This is the required answer. तो आपने देखा कि in case of subtraction of algebraic terms, you have to learn two methods. One is column method another is horizontal method. Process nearly same, but way of writing is different. लिखने का तरीका थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, लेकिन उसका जो प्रोसीजर है, उसका जो टेक्निक है सेम. So in subtraction, if you write in the column method, you have to change the sign. As now here you see the this horizontal method. ये जो माइनस है इसको रिमूव कर रहे हैं, वही कॉलम में नीचे में लिखा यहाँ इसको भी यदि चाहें उससे बना सकते हैं. कैसे? हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड से. तो you will solve 6C and I am sure you cannot find any problem. But whatever rule, whatever method I have explained, you should be careful. In addition or in subtraction, like terms are added or subtracted. Here you see this 4x by is not in this term, in this expression. So we have written this separately. And now in the column method, you have to solve this question like this. तो छोटा हो क्वेश्चन या बड़ा हो, मेथड दोनों के सेम ही रहता है. बस जो रूल है उसको फॉलो होना है. और लाइक टर्म्स अनलाइक टर्म्स जो भी मैंने समझाया है कि वो जो लाइक टर्म्स क्या है, अनलाइक टर्म्स क्या है, मोनोमियल, पॉलिनोमियल, बाइनोमियल, कोफिशिएंट्स, इस सारे को रूल को याद रखिए. और ये जो साइन का रूल हम बताए हैं उसको भी आपको याद रखना है. एंड देन यू विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व. So my dear students, today we are ending with the message that you will solve 6C, and if you have any doubt, I understand there should be no doubt, but anyway, if you have any doubt, you can contact me and I will try to solve your doubts. Thank you and have a